Alright guys, as you can tell, we're looking at this component right here. We got a failed regen. We have a high pressure. I looked at the head, after treatment regeneration device, ARD head as they call it, and it looks not too old. But one thing I did notice is over here, and if you guys don't know, try to get you a video. This right here, where this line goes, it's called a filtered fitting, and I'll show it to you in a minute. But we got a fitting that goes back there that's actually got a screen in it. And then the other one is this guy right here. It's also got a filtered fitting. And a lot of guys don't know on these Caterpillars that it's a service item. You have to replace them at least once a year. If not, they're gonna give you crap. You know, you're gonna have failed regens, you start throwing parts and you can't figure it out. So anyway, quick little video. It's just one of those pitfalls where a lot of guys are not familiar with the system. You know, they'll throw this on, they'll throw sensors on. I've even seen guys replace the whole DPF and everything, and I've even seen some guys replace the turbos, and all it was these fittings. They're filtered. This is a fuel manifold. It's got fuel in it and it's got coolant, because the coolant actually goes through here and it cools the head. Anyway, something I thought I'd share. Not a common knowledge, or a lot of guys that don't have a lot of access to information don't know about those fittings, you know. So hey, thanks a lot. Leave me a comment. Keep watching. Thank you.